Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a warm welcome to our channel freecourses.com. So today we will talk about Udemy some premium and limited edition courses. Okay, so let's start our today's video. So in the first course is the emotional intelligence and religions, means it is the totally depend on the personal development. Okay, so if you develop your personal skills, okay, self esteem and confidence using this course. Okay, so those who are interested for it, go to this course. Okay, 42 minutes on demand video. You also get 42 minutes on demand video. The course will be expired after 2 days. Okay, guys. So this course is now totally free of cost. Go to this course. Okay, if you are interested for it, go to this course. Okay, guys. So then our next course is the copywriting and content marketing course. Be a pro copywriter. Okay, so if you are quite interested in digital marketing and web, if you are a really writing if you are a really interested to writing web content in the digital marketing field. And one more important point, guys, say it is the bestseller course. Okay, the course rating is quite good, 4.3 out of 5. Okay, 26,000 students are already enrolled for it. This course is fully in English. Okay, in this course they will teach you they will teach you to become an expert copywriter with the power to convert the browsers into the buyers and learn how to persuade and overcome customer objects to you sell more. Okay, guys. So and many more things, okay, related to it. You will also get 15 hours on demand video, 14 downloadable resources, full lifetime access. Okay, guys, 2 days later at this price. Now this point of time, this course is totally free for you. Okay, go to this course. This is a very important good course. Okay, if you are quite interested in copywriting and content writing and content marketing course, go to this course. Okay, so be a content marketing SEO copywriting expert, profit with content marketing 2021 most powerful first learn course. Okay, I hope you will be understand that after seeing the rating. Okay, after watching the rating, okay, it is a bestseller course, guys. So go to the next one is the Python 2021. This course is recently updated in April month. Okay, so this is the chance, guys. 24.5 hour on demand video. You also get 24.5 hour. It is a not a less time, guys. Okay, go to this course. Complete Python bootcamp zero to hero programming, means they will teach you a small things in very brief way. Okay, explain you, discuss you. Okay, so you can understand each things very clearly. Okay, guys, complete Python bootcamp with 40 plus applications, examples and 2 real world projects. Become a complete Python programmer. 42,000 students are already enrolled for it. The course rating is also good. This course is created by the SS Code Academy. Okay, guys. So there are some important points in this course. First point is the course. The course, you can say the course video contents are total video. The video will be 24.5 hour on demand video. You also get. And the next point is, guys, the course rating is quite good. And third point is, guys, this course is recently updated in April month. This course is fully in English language. They will teach you write the Python program of using the lot of suppose if you write your program in Linux, Mac or Unix operating system. I hope you know that Python is the most demandable programming language in today's world. Not only for today's, in future Python will be used a brief brief field. Okay, not only for computer science and engineering, in other fields. Okay, out of the shell out of the shell of this. So they can move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the active listening skills to guide and receive feedback at work. So in this will be totally in the interpersonal feedback and business and communications. If you less if you good your in your communication skill, and if you build up your communication skill at good, okay, active listening skills and empathy and emotional intelligence, give and listen to the feedback at the work and the personal work. Okay, so if you're a good learner, good listener, so it is a very great. Okay, because in corporate sector this will be, if you are a good listener, if you are a good learner, okay, so it will be take a more positive point. Okay, so take the feedback actually here what people are telling you, improve your listening skills. This course is the 1.5 or on one video, 2 days left at this price, guys. Okay, the next one is another important course, Java 2021 complete Java Masters Class 0 to Hero Programming. Okay, this course is also created. They create SS Code Academy, Java AC, OOPS concept, algorithms plus 30 plus application, three real world projects. Okay, so move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the complete HTML CSS bootcamp. If you are quite interested for the web development, and if you go in future, if you are a looking for a good web development course, this course is for you guys. Okay, go to this course, 8 hours on demand video, become a in hand HTML CSS master by creating the web pages and building the real world projects and examples. 35,000 students are already enrolled for it. SS Code Academy. Okay, guys, 8 hours on demand video, 70 downloadable resources. Move on to the next one, guys. Next one is another is the Python and Django framework for beginners of the complete course, 13 hours. You also get 13 hours on demand video. Beginning to expert Python, start from the basics and go all the way to creating your own applications and games. Okay, 1 lakh students are already enrolled for it. The course setting is quite good. In this course, they will teach you a very small things in very brief way, so you can understand it very clearly. Or in this course, they will teach you from the beginning level, okay, to the advanced level in Python programming by learning all the basics and object oriented programming. Okay, so the next one is the create amazing view apps with JavaScript. If you are a learn JavaScript, and if you are a create something in JavaScript, suppose any type of apps, understand what is the theory behind view JavaScript and use it in the real world projects. Because, guys, whatever you learn, okay, will be implemented. You will be implemented. It is a very important for you. Okay, if you implement it, if you build something from this, so they will show you that, yeah, you learn this thing in very deep way, and you will be a brief knowledge. They give you a brief knowledge about this thing. Okay, of this thing. So the HR, you can say the interviewer will understand that now, that yes, this guy is a brief knowledge into this field. Okay, so if whatever you will be learn, whatever you will be listen, you will be implement it. Okay, so guys, that's why I am telling you, go to this course. Okay, 1 day left at this price, 6.5 or on demand video. Okay, move on to the last but not the least, the 5G Masterclass Architectural NR, RAN, Core, and Call Flows. So these will be a high rated course, guys. That's why I am attached in my this course in my video. This course is totally about the learn the key concepts and protocols and procedures in 5G system. As you will be heard that in our today India, the 5G is come. Okay, 5G is coming, but 4G is a taking a lot of area. Okay, in India, but 5G are coming, okay, in a recent days. So you'll be know about the brief knowledge about the 5G, the 5G networking, basic understanding wireless communications, basic understanding of the networking. If you are quite interested what the 5G and how the 5G works, and how the 5G call flows, key principles in 5G core, key concept in the RAN and protocol stacks, and more about of the 5G, go to this course, guys, and enroll for it as soon as possible. Okay, 1 day left at this price. You also get 6.5 or on demand video. Thank you, guys, to listening it. Okay, so I hope you will be enjoying this video. Okay, please, guys, please subscribers. Okay, so it will be motivated me to make more videos. Okay, and please comment me. Thank you, guys, to watching this video.